5 AI tools to make you $10,000 a month. Predictive analytics, data automation, a virtual assistant, and e-commerce AI. $10,000 every single month deposited straight into their bank account. No degree, no experience. Some of them work just 2 hours a day from anywhere in the world. These are AI tools, and they are permanently changing how people make money in 2026. I personally tested every single one of these tools myself for 30 days straight. The results genuinely shocked me. Stay until tool number 5, because that is the one nobody's talking about yet, and it is the most powerful one. 5 AI tools, $10,000 a month. Let us get into it right now. Tool number 1, Claude AI by Anthropic, and most people are completely sleeping on this right now. Thousands of businesses need blog posts, emails, and website copy every single week. They have no time to write it. If you use Claude AI to write it, then list your service on Fiverr or Upwork and charge $50 to $200 per piece.
20 articles per month at $100 each. That is $2,000 working part-time from home.
Niche down completely. Do not be a general writer. Be a content writer specifically for real estate agents or fitness coaches. Niche writers charge 2 to 3 times more money and get hired twice as fast. Claude AI alone, $3,000 monthly. Tool number 2, Midjourney, an AI image generator that creates professional stunning art in under 30 seconds. You type a simple description, and Midjourney creates a stunning professional image. Zero art skills needed whatsoever. Sell AI art on Etsy. Phone wallpapers, wall art prints, digital downloads. People make $2,000 to $4,000 passively every month. Zero design experience needed. Learn Midjourney prompts in one weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and you are ready to earn. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. And this is the one that surprises absolutely everyone when I first show them.
ElevenLabs creates completely realistic human voices from just text. And I mean realistic. Nobody can tell it is AI generated.
Traditional voice actors charge $200 to $500 per job. You use ElevenLabs and charge $75 to $150. Bonus, use ElevenLabs for your own faceless YouTube channel. Never record yourself, never show your face, just earn money. Tool number 4, Canva AI. You know Canva already, but what it does in 2026 is on a completely different level. Canva AI now generates full content calendars, animated posts, and complete brand kits automatically in just seconds. You become their social media manager using Canva AI. Charge $500 to $1,500 per month per client. 5 clients at $1,000 each. That is $5,000 monthly, working just 20 hours a week total. To get first clients, cold email local gyms, restaurants, and salons near you. They almost always say yes immediately.
Okay, we have reached tool number 5, the one I promised you, the one nobody is discussing yet.
It is called Descript, and after I show you this, you will wonder why you have never heard of it before today. Traditional video editing takes years to learn. It is complicated, slow, and deeply frustrating for anyone starting out. Descript turns your video into text. You edit by deleting words from the transcript, and that video section disappears. It removes every and filler word automatically. Every single one, gone forever, in literally one single click. Descript cuts editing time by 60 to 70%. 4 hours of editing becomes just 90 minutes every single time. Video editing is one of the highest paid freelance skills right now. Editors on Upwork charge $50 to $150 per hour, charge $300 per video, edit 10 videos per month using Descript. That is exactly $3,000 monthly. Let me give you the complete recap of all 5 tools so everything is completely crystal clear right now. Number 1, Claude AI by Anthropic, content writing services, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Number 2, Midjourney, AI graphic design and digital art, $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Number 3, ElevenLabs, professional voiceover services, $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Number 4, Canva AI, social media management services, $3,000 to $7,500 per month. Nobody starts at $10,000. Everyone starts at their first 100, then 500, then it snowballs on its own. You do not need all 5. Pick just one single tool, master it completely, build your first client, then grow from there. Drop a comment right now. Which tool are you starting with? I read and personally reply to every single comment on this channel. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for a new video every single week. Real info, no fluff. See you next time.